Tasty language learning. Exploring turkey marinade. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a delicious topic. The phrase, turkey marinade. This phrase is not just about cooking but also about understanding the cultural and linguistic nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in and add some flavor to our language skills. Turkey refers to a large bird that is often cooked and eaten, especially in North America during Thanksgiving. Marinade is a liquid mixture, usually made of oil, vinegar, spices, and herbs, used to flavor and tenderize meat before cooking. So, a turkey marinade is a special mixture made to enhance the flavor of turkey meat. The concept of marinating turkey is particularly significant in American culture, especially around Thanksgiving. This holiday is celebrated in the United States on the fourth Thursday of November. Families gather to enjoy a feast, with turkey often being the centerpiece. The preparation of the turkey, including the marinade, is a cherished tradition. You can use turkey marinade in different contexts. 1. As a noun, I need to prepare the turkey marinade tonight. 2. In recipes, this recipe calls for a savory turkey marinade with herbs and garlic. 3. In conversations, what's your secret for a delicious turkey marinade? Let's expand our vocabulary with related terms. Brine, a salty solution used for a similar purpose as a marinade. Seasoning, the process of adding herbs and spices to enhance flavor. Basting, spooning the juices over meat during cooking to keep it moist. We hope you enjoyed learning about turkey marinade and its cultural significance, especially in American traditions. Remember, language learning can be as fun and flavorful as cooking. Keep exploring new phrases and enriching your English vocabulary. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.